Nobody gets it right from the get-go. I can tell you that right now. Nobody means nobody. Even the big guys in any industry or market, their first prototypes, that's why when you buy a brand new car and it's their first model ever, you're going to have recalls, you're going to have bugs. That's normal. So us at OfficeLogix, we're not exempt from that either. So all of our products, we've had first runs that needed repairs and recalls. We're happy to own up to them. And as a small company, we move fast. That's the beauty of dealing with a small company like us. We move fast, we take care of it, we make our improvements, and we continue to improve the products that we sell this year. You won't see in a couple of years unless it's actually been improved. So all of our products are on a spectrum and progression of improvement from now until the day we stop doing business. Now, the big guys, even Herman Miller, the guys that are the top dogs in the office chair industry, they have had to do some recalls and had to actually improve their products. This is the seat pan from Herman Miller for their Aeron. When they first made the Aeron, they made this with a problem, which we predict is a problem with their injection molding. They had only one inlet and outlet for the mold. And as people who have had some considerable experience in design and manufacturing in the chair industry, we noticed that over time, when we refurbished a lot of their chairs, all their older models had cracks that they probably had to service with their warranty in one specific part. And it was on one side of the Aeron seat pan. Every single time, without fail, it was on that same side. And that crack you almost always resulted in the entire seat pan breaking and falling apart. What did that make Herman Miller do? Well, it forced them to redesign the whole seat pan from the bottom and the structure. This one right here that you see is a very standard, simple structure which has no support on the areas where the cracks are appearing. So what they did is on the new models, which you'll see in the picture right here, they put a zigzag structure to reinforce the spots where the cracking was happening on the underneath area. These zigzags prevented that cracking by distributing the weight. That almost probably reduced the warranty claims on cracked seat pans, we predict at least by 90 to 95%. All of the cracked seat pans were in their older models that did not have that supporting zigzag structure to disperse the weight. That story tells you that it's okay to make mistakes on your first run as a business owner. But what's not okay is to not own up to those mistakes and try to make them right, which Herman Miller did, and so does OfficeLogix. We make sure that whenever we have any types of recalls or design flaws, we listen to the customer feedback and we make improvements as quickly and efficiently as possible. That's the beauty of being a proper business and listening to your customer base. Now, what's not okay, obviously, are the stories where, businesses don't own up to those defects and recalls, and hence, they don't last long in the market. We love to listen to you guys, how we can make our products better. We've already implemented a lot of those pieces of feedback and suggestions, so please keep them coming. We're going to only get better from here, and it's through your help.